Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So in the past week, somebody put onto our Facebook group, PJ's Coin Capers, the link is in the description below, a South Australian 20-cent coin that had a die crack in it. Now, with this die crack, it was situated somewhere around the F, and this particular coin has a mintage of 2.4 million. And I thought it'd be fun to do some die crack searching. So I've actually got 39 of these coins, and I figured we could probably go through these and have a look and see if any of these have a die crack. I haven't gone through them, so I actually don't know whether we're going to find one or not. Just thought it'd be interesting to use the coin microscope and just set it up in front of us here and see if we can find some. The other interesting thing about this video, I'm actually going to be giving away something at the end of this video. So this is going to be a giveaway video, so stick around and I'll announce that later in this video, and there will be only one prize, okay? So one prize and one winner. Alright, I'm just going to set myself up and we'll start going through these coins. Alright guys, so I've got it set up and I've got this one situated right where the F is, and we can see there that there is no die crack on this one. I'll try and keep them moving as quick as possible and try and get through them all. So can't see a die crack. It went through the F and then through the flower there. Might as well have a quick little scan through the coin just to see if there's any other sort of die cracks, but I can't see anything on that one. So I'm really enjoying this microscope. You can see little cuds and bits and pieces very easily, and any other sort of errors really easily. So it's actually fun to use. I do have a link in the description to where you can buy these. And some other stuff that I do use on the channel, I've linked in there as well. So yeah, I don't know if we'll find any, but I thought I've got plenty of them. I do actually have more than what we're going through today, but I figured it would be fun just to have a little look and see if there is anything on any of these coins, just to see if we can find any die cracks at all. And you can see the different quality of these coins. Some of them are fairly worn, and some of them are not too bad. No, I can't see anything there. No die crack on that one. I've never actually done anything like this on the channel, so let me know your thoughts if you'd like to do some close-up videos and really zoom in on coins and have a look at details. If you enjoy this kind of thing, yeah, leave a comment. Nothing on that one. No. So typically if you find a die crack on a coin, there's a very good chance you'll find them on other coins, because essentially it's the die that's breaking down. It's got nothing to do with the coin itself. It's the die that's breaking down, the die that cracks, and the material of the coin, when it's getting pressed, squishes up into the actual die and leaves behind the crack on the actual coin. So that's what's going on there. I'll actually be surprised if we do find one, to be honest, but keen just to have a look. And you typically will find them in areas of weakness within the coin, so like close to the edges and those kind of things. This is a nice clean coin, this one. No, nothing going on there. We're almost halfway through, guys. It's almost, I'll have to look at that closer, but you can sort of see, I'll have to have a look at some other ones, but you can definitely see some doubling going on there around the stars. And certainly down, what part of the coin is that? Those waves going across the coin. So yeah, there's different. I'll have a look at some other ones, but that's an interesting one with some doubling going on there. So the die may have been deteriorating. We'll have to check on other coins to sort of see if there's if this one's maybe been double struck. Have a look at the other side of the coin. See if there's anything going on there with the lettering. Can't see anything out of the ordinary there. I'm going to put that one aside as a reference. Yeah, we're looking in the same sort of spot there, and those stars and those lines there look normal. And that looks normal there as well. And no die crack there. And yep, no doubling on those stars. Yeah, I'll definitely have a closer look at that one later on. It was that doubling might be something interesting. And you can see that stuff with these kind of microscopes. This one I can't seem to be able to hook up to my computer, but I'm going to try and get another one that actually I can hook up to the computer, and I think it'll make it better for your viewing if I can do that. This might be interesting as well. We can sort of see some, I'll check this, you can sort of see that doubling on this one as well, certainly around that flower piece, around the outside of those pieces there. I'll have to zoom in on that area as well on a few more. You can see that, like, as if the die was breaking down. Certainly a lot more doubling going on this one as well. The stars are a little bit doubled, and you can sort of see that doubling going on across the line there, and a little bit on the E of Federation, but no die cracks as yet, so I'll put that one aside as well. This one looks fairly normal. Federation, that one's fairly normal. Yeah, that one's normal. little bit going on there. You can sort of see that around the star as well. No die crack that I can see. This one's a very mild doubling on this one, so I won't put that one aside. That looks normal. The stars look fairly crisp. It's been heavily damaged across that section there. And no die crack. It's all nice and crisp. No, nothing there. So I've got a good prize to give away, and I'll be showing you that as soon as we get done with these coins here. No, don't think there might be. There's some doubling going on there, guys. Some nice doubling there. Keep that one aside. This looks fairly normal as well. Certainly some doubling on this one as well. So it might be fairly common. This one's got a lot of doubling going on all over the place, especially that E there in Federation. But, oh yeah, some nice doubling going on around there. So that's pretty cool. I wouldn't have noticed that until I zoomed in nice and close as we've done today. But no die cracks as yet, so I'd love to see a nice big die crack. And that all looks fairly normal. Yep, well pointed stars. No, it's all fairly good as well. Must be a nice high grade, this one. Yep, yeah it is. You can almost see at the top of the F there like a start of a... Oh, this might have... See that line heading down through there? That might... A bit hard to tell in this light, but you can sort of see there's a line heading down there, so this potentially could be the start of a die crack. I don't think it's in the same position as what I noticed, and you can sort of see it running from the top of the F, and then it starts to run down through the flower there. So this would definitely be one of the die crack coins. So I can't see that following through. This is a fairly high grade coin, so we'll have a look at that one later without the coin microscope. There's some doubling on this one, very obvious doubling. Can't see that die crack on this one. Just got a few more to go, guys, and we'll be announcing the wrong side. Announcing the giveaway. Okay, we've got one, guys. There is a very obvious die crack, and it is running pretty much where I set it. Oh no, not quite in the same spot, but definitely through the F, through the pedals. I can't see it running any further than that, but that's a definite die crack right there. So that's cool. We found one. So that's a definite keeper. I'll keep them all, but that becomes a special coin. It's a nice high grade coin as well. Probably one of the best ones we've looked at today, I think. So can't see any sort of breakdown in the dies on this one. But nice coin. This is our last one now, guys. And that looks fairly good and healthy as well. And nothing going on there. Alright, let me just tidy up and back shortly. Alright guys, so these are the coins that we kept aside, and these are the ones we discarded for now. This is the one with the die crack, so it's fairly obvious, and you can still see it with the eye without the coin microscope, but it was just so much more interesting to look at with the coin microscope. Alright, so the giveaway. Now, we'll zoom right out. Now, I've got one of these Renix coin guides here, and so I bought this actually not too long ago, and purely just to give away. And there is a new edition coming out, so I figured let's just give this one away now. And this is edition 29, and then I think later on in the year, maybe sometime soon, the 30th edition will come out. And so I wanted to give this away now. Look, even though there's a new edition coming out, this is still going to be a worthwhile book in years to come, because a lot of the information doesn't change. So we're going to be giving away this book to one person. Okay, so the question is, and I want you to answer, is what is your favorite Federation design? Whether it be the 50 cent or the 20 cent, doesn't matter. Let me know which one is your favorite state coin. Okay, so it doesn't matter which one it is. It's got to be one of the 2001 state coins in order to be eligible to win this competition. So if you haven't written down which is your favorite, you won't be eligible to win this prize, even if your name gets drawn. Okay, I'm going to be tough. You need to tell me which one is your favorite. Okay, if you don't know, go and research it and look it up. And I will be drawing this in 4 days' time. So today is Saturday, the 29th. So on the 3rd of March, I'll be drawing the winner of this, and I'll give you till 9 p.m. Victorian time to put your entry in, and then the video for this will come out the following day. Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this look. Let me know what you think, and you'll be entered into the competition. But make sure if you leave a comment, make sure you leave a comment in relation to the competition. It's most important that you let me know in the comment. You can tell me whatever else you want, but make sure you leave a comment and let me know which of the Federation coins you like the best. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I look forward to doing the draw. Thanks guys, bye for now.